In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage products in Linktree. By the end, you'll know how to add a product link to your Linktree and make it look clean and clickable, using an Amazon item as the example. First, head to your Linktree admin dashboard and make sure you're signed in. From the main workspace, open the links section on the left side. This is where you manage everything your visitors can tap on, so it's the right place to set up products you want to promote. Now, create a new item. Choose the Add button to start a fresh link card, then select Link. This opens a new entry where you can provide the product's URL. Think of this as the foundation for the block that will appear on your public link tree. Grab the product link next. Open the product page you want to feature on Amazon and copy its URL from your browser. If you use affiliate tags, make sure you copy the full link so your tracking remains intact. Then switch back to your Linktree tab and paste that URL into the link field. Linktree will scan what you pasted and prepare the best match for how to display it. When Linktree detects that it's an Amazon URL, choose the Amazon product option it suggests. This tells Linktree to format the link as a product block and, where possible, pull in helpful details like the product title and a preview image. If a title appears automatically, you can keep it or refine it to be clearer and more enticing. Short, benefit-focused wording usually performs well. With the link created, open the layout controls. Here you can adjust how the block appears to visitors so it feels consistent with your overall page style. Keep an eye on readability and contrast so the call to action stands out. Subtle visual tweaks can improve clicks without overwhelming your design. Next, open the thumbnail settings. Linktree often fetches a product image for you, but you can replace it if you prefer a cleaner or more branded look. Choose an image that's crisp, recognizable, and centered so it crops well on different screens. A strong thumbnail helps visitors instantly understand what they're about to see. That's it. You've added an Amazon product link, chosen the correct product format, tuned the layout, and set the thumbnail. Preview your Linktree to make sure everything looks good on desktop and mobile, and you're ready to share a polished product link that's easy for your audience to tap.